Welcome back to this tutorial, and in today's tutorial we are talking about control structures, the third one, which is do while loop. So I guess you've all tried shopping carts, paying via mobile money, especially Airtel. So whenever you make a payment, or if you're adding any item on your shopping cart, then automatically they prompt you that do you want to buy something else. So if say yes, then you can still buy something else. Okay, then with Airtel money, those countries that have Airtel money, whenever you buy a bundle or your bundle gets expired, automatically they prompt you that do you want to buy another bundle, or do you want to gift a friend, such. So if you've ever seen such a message, you've used a do while loop. So in do while loop, we execute everything as long as it's true, and then we repeat at least for once. We do everything for once. So here's the syntax. You write your do, and inside this do, we execute our block code. Then if it's done, then we can bring the while here. So we give this condition in, we terminate this while. You begin with this one. In the previous while we are not terminating this, but in this while we must terminate it. Okay, we execute this code as long as we don't satisfy, or as long as this condition is still true, then we can keep executing this block again and again. Now here I've declared count to be 5 and have my number into number. So what we do, we prompt you to guess any number between 0 and 10, then we get that number from the user, from the screen, okay, from the keyboard. Now 3 is my birth date and 6 is my birth month, because I was born on 3rd June. So interesting. So if you guess 3, if your number guess is 3 or 6, then we simply print you your win and we exit the program. Okay, else if the number is not 3 or 6, then we simply print you lose the game, and we prompt you back. So that's how it is executed. If we run this, you see, guess a number between 0 and 10. If I guess 1, they say you lose the game, and we prompt you back to again predict a number. If I say 90, then still I lose the game, because 90 isn't between 0 and 10. Alright, it's between 0 and 10, but then this combination isn't of 0 and 10. Maybe we should say it is between 0 and 9, like that. It is varied, but now it is not. So if I do this, still I lose the game, and I lose the game twice. So I lose the game twice. Why? I've entered 0 for the first time, and then again 9 for the second time. So you see, this is how a do while loop, it keeps prompting you until you meet the required condition, which is winning the game. We exit the program. Okay, so this is how it works. We scan the number from the keyboard, we check if this number meets the condition given, 6 or 3. If it is 6 or 3, then we win the game and we exit. But as long as it's not 6 or 3, then we keep looping around. We again prompt you to play this game. Now the only condition that makes this keep running is this: while count is greater than 0. So count is initialized to 5, and then 5 is greater than 0. So this is true. We keep executing the same thing over and over and again. Okay, like that. So thanks for your time. We'll meet in the next lecture when I'm talking or clearly explaining the break and continue and the switch. But don't forget to subscribe, of course.